It is actually pretty easy to cancel your subscription on Hims. So according to their website is that you should need first to access the Hims or Hers app on your mobile devices. Now log into your account. Locate the account section or icon on the top right corner on the home page, then select subscription. You can see the additional options if you scroll to the subscription you would like to cancel. You can also go to under it has a managed subscription, select add or remove items from order. A pop-up will appear with a list of items. Select subscription types. Will instead see options to adjust my plan or end subscription. Then select the option that best fits. Unselect no check mark the item you wish to cancel, then select subscription types will not see this option. So if this will be an example for that, your items, you can reactivate your subscription for a certain item.